Right. Okay. Okay. We're going to do a sound check using this Brugger & Tomet APC40. It's a 40 caliber. So a client asked me to build him a special suppressor for it. So this is the Resolute suppressor for this Brugger & Tomet in caliber 40. As you can see, it's a tri-lug system, right? So we're gonna test it. Now when you install your tri-lug, make sure it's perfectly locked in. So this is ready now. We'll do a couple of rounds and we'll test fire it. Okay, the Brugger & Tomet in 40 caliber with the Resolute suppressor. Not bad for a 40 caliber. My ears are perfect. It's not ringing. We're in a very enclosed area. So considering that this is suppressing it perfectly for my ears in a tight area like this, you could just imagine when you're outside, it's gonna be perfectly quiet. So the Resolute Monocore suppressor for the Brugger & Tomet APC40.